celebration today. It is an honor for me personally, and as a leader of the delegation, I would like to officially welcome you, all of you, here in Gentry. This groundbreaking ceremony event is a symbol of our commitment to establish education excellence for every child in our community. We take that responsibility seriously.
Well, right now, given the situation, I admire Gentry for taking this step. Not many educational institutions are willing to grow their business and grow their schools during this time of pandemic. So this groundbreaking, however simple it is and however few have attended due to social distancing requirements, it symbolizes a lot. That it means that people are still very optimistic about the situation here in Claro, that things will eventually get better, and that they're positioning themselves to take advantage once the borders open and once everyone will return back to the schools.
Maraming salamat.